everyone. Today we are going to make a teardrop shaped earring. This design and this style is in demand these days. No matter how many files I make, I sell these most. So people, you can see one of our customers made earrings by using these cut files, and these cut files can be seen in my shop everywhere to make different type of earrings, like this earring with heart cut out, and this earrings with different style of borders, and these earrings which sell most and they are very popular. So you can see same teardrop shape but with heart cutouts. So we are going to, and you in the earring SVG section you can find this style everywhere, and people make earrings, and this shape can be somewhat altered and then make into some geometrical shape, but we are going to draw a shape like this today, like this one, a nice teardrop shape. So we will start. So for that we are on our working document. It is a really simple shape to make. So we will choose pencil tool. I choose pencil tool and just draw a shape like that and give it a color so I can see the details. Maybe make it in color. So again, for this shape, what I do, I draw a single half of the shape first and check it for the anchor points, how many anchor points I have. So again, because we need these nodes or anchor points should be less in numbers, because as less anchor points you have, the more smooth shape it will be, and it will be easy for the cutting machine to use. So you can see how many anchor points we have here. 1 2 3 4. I'll first align these half of the shape and these anchor points so they are in center, and they will, when I will reflect it, they will be exactly in the right spot. So first I would like to decrease these number of nodes. So for that, for this simple form, you can go to object, path, and simplify. So simplify will show me how much points or less points will I have. So I will go click preview, and now you can see the original points were 6 and now I have 2. So I'm happy with that. And now I will reflect this shape, transform, reflect, right click, transform, reflect, and now I'll just, you can see here, so I will reflect vertical and I will make a copy. So, and then by using arrow keys I will just align these lines, and by selecting these and align to selection, I will just vertical align center. So you can see these are 2. I'll remove my guide so you can see it properly and hide the grid. So now you can see these 2 lines are separate. This is a separate line and this is a separate line. So to make it into a shape, I need to join these 2 paths. So for that I'll choose my direct selection tool, select these 2 points. Let me enlarge it. So you can see I have selected these 2 points here, and now I will use join tool and hover over it, and it will join the parts, 2 paths, and you can see it has only 1 anchor point now. So, and now I will do it with the lower part of the line. So again, there are two anchor points here. I'll choose my direct selection tool, select only these two, use join tool and join them. So now you can see that this is a one shape. So I'll just again make a copy for the record and change this path to a stroke to fill. Now you can see, now I'll bring my guides and my 3x3 box. Now you can see that it's a nice teardrop shape. Now there are two ways of, now we have got our teardrop shape here and it is still a path. Now there are two, I use two options. First, for the whole of jump ring, I first draw an ellipse in different color, and I always choose, I work in inches, so I choose 0.11 to 0.11 inches. This size of a hole is perfect for cutting machines, and every type of earring fine hardware fits into this. So now I need to punch a hole. I will just make a copy right in the middle of the earring like that, so a jump ring can be put through this hole. So now I will simply, my first option is to just select, align it properly by using align to artboard, and then horizontal align center. Now the hole and the shape is exactly aligned, and I'll just bring it little bit up like that, and again I will use Pathfinder tool to cut or punch the hole through this shape. So for that I will choose both of them and minus front. Now there is a nice hole in the middle of the teardrop shape, and this earring is ready to go. So this is one of the options. For second one, which is my favorite one, and I'll just make a copy by selecting these two and clicking on Alt on my keyboard and making a copy, and I'll just finish this earring. For this one I'll make it, I want to see my grid. So here I have explained that this is 2 inches, so I will make this slightly smaller, which fits into 2 inches. And for some reason I always think that I should put extra material around the jump ring hole, because this is a nice looking earring, but you can see there is not much material around a jump ring hole. So when people will put a jump ring through it, it can tear this little area. So I'll just, what I do, I make another, I just want to put more material around. I'll make them same color so you can see a little bit. So I just want to make this earring slightly more stronger. So this is how I build this shape, and I'll just put everything in the center. So now if I will put this jump ring hole in the middle of this earring, you can see there is more material around it, which will not and which will help to strengthen this part of the earring and it will not be tiered when somebody is putting a jump ring around it. So now it is much better and stronger. So align everything, align to the artboard and align everything. Horizontal align centers puts everything in the center. And just to make it a neat looking design, I'm going to choose align to selection, choose this circle, and horizontal and vertical align and horizontal align these two, so it is more visually pleasing. Now what I do, I select these and select this one, and I see there is little bit more material which can create another point. So I'm just going to erase this little part from here. Now it's ready to go. Now this shape is ready to go. So I'll select this circle and this earring part, object, expand, unite. So now these two parts are united and they are one part. Now I will punch this earring hole through this single part. Therefore I'll choose both of them and go to my pathfinder tool and choose minus front. So there you go. Your earring is again ready, and now it's a simple teardrop shape which is ready to go. We will in the next video we will make something like this. We will punch shapes through this teardrop shape, hearts or some other shape, but this is how you create a simple teardrop shape earring. My favorite is this shape because again I can put more material around this jump ring hole, so it is cut cleanly, and when it is manipulated it won't tear. So thank you. Okay, I have made presentation and I have uploaded this design on my Creative Fabrica store. So you can go to my store by clicking the link in the description and you can get this design for free and experiment with that. So this design is free on Creative Fabrica and the link will be in the description. Thank you.